Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2023 Ford F-150 in an XL trim with the STX Appearance Package, powered by a 2.7-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing with some great fuel efficiency. And the STX package gives you a unique grille up front, blacked out trim, as well as unique rims and black interior cloth. But let's take a look inside. Looking into the back seat, we have comfortable seating for three with the black cloth, as I mentioned, can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. You also have vinyl flooring that's easier to clean, and in the middle you have two cup holders with a 12-volt USB and USB-C and 120-volt power outlet. And looking into the front, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now, sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen, where you can cycle through your digital speedometer, trip information, driver assistance features and settings, fuel economy, eco coach, and comm screen. You also have further settings and vehicle information. And then moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls with lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, navigation, so you're hopefully not going to get lost, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, towing, and owner's manual. Shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. Above that, you have your auto start stop shut off and your camera view again, as well as your hazards and traction control shut off. Moving down, you have your media controls and then your climate controls. To the left, you have your trailer brake controller and 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and drive mode selector for normal, slippery, deep snow, sand, mud, ruts, and then on the opposite end you have tow haul, eco, and sport mode. But then moving on to the right here, you have a 12-volt and 120-volt power outlet, and then down below you have this bin with a USB and USB-C. Looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears. And then onto your center console area, where you've got two cup holders, a large bin there, and your lockable center compartment / armrest with a removable tray. Plenty of room inside, including a USB and USB-C. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.